Hello, this is Maciek the Diligent Linguist. Today I want to show you how you can memorize newly learned words more efficiently using associations, doodling simple pictures, grouping words, and building stories to bring categories of words closer together. I normally recommend that you study 15 nouns per day with Polish Up. In the last video, I presented the first batch of 15 nouns. The first of them is pan, a man, Mr., gentleman. We also learn the word pani, a woman, lady, Mrs. Jest pan I pani. There is a man and a woman. And they're saying bye-bye to each other. Papa. But it's not the end of the story. The man is holding tickets. Jeden bilet, dwa bilety. Those among you who have bought the leader or expert version of Polish Up, pay attention to the plurals. Maybe the lady, pani, agreed to go with him to the cinema. But we don't know on which day. The words for day in Polish is dzień. And 365 days, 365 dni, is a year, which is rok in Polish. 365 dni to rok, a year. Do you remember the Polish word pora? It's very useful as it may indicate part of the day as well as part or season of the year. Let's list parts of the day and seasons of the year provided in the expert version of Polish Up. Let me switch to my Mochi Cards app. We've got dzień and pory dnia. Południe. Południe means noon. Rano, morning. And wieczór, evening. All right, and then pora roku, season of the year. And what have we got here? Wiosna, springtime, spring. Lato, summer. Jesień, autumn. And zima, winter. Let's write them down. And all these items are related to time, which is czas in Polish. But as I told you in the last video, it's easy for beginners to confuse the notion of czas with the word raz. And the latter one means how many times we do something, how many times an action is performed. For this purpose, let's use our multiplication symbol. Dzień razy 365 to rok. Simple. Let's get back to pan I pani. After they say papa to each other, pan, the gentleman, is going back home. Home or house in Polish is dom, as you may remember from your first day with Polish Up. And to enter the building, he needs what? He needs kod, the Polish word for code. And the code is the year when Poland regained its independence. 1918, 1918, 1918. At home, he realizes that he remembered to buy the cinema tickets. Bilety, tickets. But he forgot to buy food. He's only got 3 items left. Sok, ser, and sos. He needs to go shopping. But that's a topic for a separate episode. Last but not least, I should mention that the story is taking place in Poland. Poland is a country. How do we say country in Polish? I know that some of you may say państwo, but because my flashcards present the simplest possible forms first, let's label Poland as kraj. In the next episode, I'm going to show you a method of grouping words if you have no idea for a story and you don't really feel like drawing. That's all for today, and don't forget to learn some Polish. Bye bye!